guys, welcome back to Children. Today we are going to open up 2 podcasts and 2 of these cutios, fruitios, minios. Now let's get started with these.
I'll go first. I've never opened one of these.
I opened one of these. I got these from Santa. I got this from Santa and I got this from my parents. I hope you all were on the nice list. If you were, give you a pat on the back. Wait. When my brother is opening, I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to hit that subscribe button. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. Now let's get started. Now let's get watching on my brother opening up. Show you. Now, since it hurt, then he couldn't get it. I'm going to start getting it.
Okay, got it. Oh, look.
Oh,
It's so cute. Now Lily's opening up hers.
These are hard.
Did you tear it off?
No.
Oh, you did it right away. Did you do that? Oh.
I got this puppy dog. He's so cute. I
These
love
are
him.
the 2 that we got.
So now let's get on to class.
You can go first.
No, you.
Okay.
Hope we don't get a
Yeah,
double.
we get the dragon.
Hope we don't get a double. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. I'm gonna watch the checklist.
Oh, you got them?
I have a checklist.
Oh!
Ooh, design.
I think this is Stormy.
It's a different one.
Yeah, let me change.
He is a
1 out of 12. That's not that bad. Stormy.
This is a checklist of who you can get.
We have.
And there's this little dragon down here that you can get.
We want the dragon.
Yeah. So we're hunting
This
for
one
the
feels
dragon.
lighter. That one felt lighter.
Stormy must be heavy because last time.
I know. Last time I thought it. I thought it felt like Stormy too.
Finally. So it's hard to get the plastic off these balls, right?
Yes.
Okay. Got the plastic off.
Oh.
I have 2 of the common ones of this, and now I have 2 of the rare ones. I got this one again. So of course this one is
That one
better.
is a
butt cheek.
ripped it.
Do you want to open up another toy? I'm gonna go get one more toy to open for both of us. Okay. Guys, like that went by.
Count is a 1 out of 18. I got the glitter 1 out of 36 Stormy. Not in this video, but in a video recently. Can I open one?
Yeah. Get the camera.
Okay.
Ow. Okay, we have 2 different unicorns. So these 2 unicorns, you can get these ones on this, and on this one you can get these ones.
Okay.
Let me see which one I want to get.
I want to get
Hey, I didn't say that one's yours. Wait.
the same.
Oh.
I want to get Cosmico. The one right there. Or Medusa.
I'm gonna go first.
Okay. Oh.
We have to clean all this garbage up.
But after this, let's show the twisted treats I got.
My brother opened up some more twisted treats, not on the video.
Oh, what is that? That might be a chase. It's not even on here. Oh, it's right there. Oh. It's not a chase, but...
Look, I love clear unicorn. I
I
mean, this
know.
one's clear.
One of Lily's favorite colors is clear. Alright, next one. Okay.
And please subscribe real well.
Oh! This is fuzzy. Oh, this is adorable.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is so cute.
And both of these are mine, and I would trade. But they're mine, so
Ah.
yeah, it's good.
Look, her hair is fuzzy. Let me go get my twisted treats.
Yes. Because this video now is 1 minute when we open up podcast to 6 minutes. Let's see if I can not. Also, in one video, we have bamboozles that we might do a bamboozle challenge. Never know. Ah! No, I didn't catch that one.
Okay. The two ones I got were, this reminds me of King Kong donut. It's like King Kong donut. And then I got a cannoli with feet. So those are the two twisted treats I got.
Oh. Look at this cute donut. Look at this little mouth. You gotta hold up close too. Okay. So, if you watched this video, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to Choflo, and thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and yeah, bye.
Peace.
Peace.